I haven't put up many videos lately, and there's a reason for that. Part of it is that I've ran out of space. When I shoot these videos, I try to do it from an angle where you can't see my clutter. I've got all of the science equipment that I use when I go out and gig. PA stuff, controllers, mixers, lighting. And I was like, why am I tripping over this stuff all the time? Oh, yeah. Because I've got probably 16 years worth of stuff that I don't use, occupying not only my shelves here in the studio, but my storage area in the back. So I decided to go ahead and dig stuff out, and I'm in the process of getting rid of about 95% of all of my DJ equipment. No, I'm not quitting the business. I've got new stuff coming. I've got stuff I want to show you that I have in here right now that's brand new and very cool. But I don't have the space to even shoot videos on half of this stuff. So I've been purging. On social media, I put up some pictures of some stuff like what you see back here, and just having people come over and make offers on it. No reasonable offer refuse kind of thing. And I've moved a lot of stuff. Everything from lighting to ladder truss to single tube, clamps, a lot of big bulky stuff. I think I got rid of probably 8 or 9 sets of moving heads. I've got like one right there. It's a focus spot too. I've only got one of them that I don't need anymore. But otherwise, they're all gone. I mean, I've kept a few. I've got the Atco from JMAS. I've got a set of those, and I have the really nice Color Key Mover 150s. I use those. And I use my Ape stuff, and I use my EV stuff, or my LD System stuff. But so much of the stuff I just don't use, and I can't even store it properly. And yeah, I guess I'm a bit of a hoarder. I would get all this stuff in for demo or buy it or whatever. I use it for a gig or two, or maybe part of a season, and then I get an upgrade and think, hey, I'm going to use this new thing. I'll just put this old thing on the shelf, and there it sits, cluttering up my life. Things are getting smaller now. Things are packed better now. And I don't need all of this stuff. I'll never use it, so it's going away. I'm not shipping anything. That would just be a lot of work and a lot of price negotiation. I would rather somebody come over, look at it, plug it in, make sure it works, offer me something for it, and take it. And I'm going to probably continue to do this for the rest of the week. And after that, whatever's left, it's going to disappear somehow. Pawn shop, something, I don't know, but it's going to go away because I'm going to reclaim my studio and my storage room. And I'm going to organize things really nice, easy for me to access. And I'm not going to keep anything that I just don't need anymore. There's no reason for that. Some of the stuff I haven't used in years, somebody else gets some use out of it. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. And I'm just wondering, how many people are in a position like me where they have all this equipment, and maybe they're renting a storage area and they're keeping this equipment in there that they're not using, and it's costing them money every month to keep things they are not using. Wouldn't it make more sense to throw it away than to pay the money for the storage? And I'm getting a few bucks out of things. I'm not getting greedy with any of this stuff. I'm blowing it out best I can. And if I get a reasonable offer, I accept it. And, a few people have called or messaged me and offered me super low money for things like just a few bucks. I'm like, I can't do that. I'm going to be reasonable. Do it for this. And they don't want to do it. But others, several people, have showed up with cash in hand, and they've said those. I'm like, what do you give them? What do you give me for them? This. Okay. Or a few times I've even said, that's too much. Actually, a little less. I've done that several times. I've had to bump people a couple times, but not very much. Again, I'm trying to be reasonable about this. I just want the space. It's not about making money here. It's about making room, because I've got new stuff coming that I want to show you. I've got new stuff here I want to show you. Some cool stuff. I've got the Pioneer Groove 6 here. I've got some really cool Color Key lights that I think you're going to like. Some cool stuff for those of you on a budget that's RF and wireless and battery powered. but I can't show you any of this stuff if I don't have room to show it to you. So, yep, cleaning house. That's what I've been up to, and that's what I'm going to continue to be up to until I make a huge dent in this. I've made a huge dent already. I'm going to make a bigger dent. I mean, so many things I've left this week, and I'm so happy to have the room. Now I got to go through and, clean out. There's a lot of broken stuff that's just going to haul away. And this winter, I will have a nice, clean workspace to do videos in and to store my equipment and to, maybe think about from now on, if I don't need something, maybe it just needs to go. I don't need to collect it for 16, 17 years. It's getting a little ridiculous. But how many of you have the same problem in the comment section? So yeah, the great purge of 2024 is in progress. And I'm not stopping until it's over. And who knows, once I do all this and I see what I have, I might even do more. I don't know. I've got a lot of set of speakers because I use speakers for things like ceremony, and then I use speakers for things like big school dances occasionally. I mean, I do, or big quinceañeras or whatever. And I've got several of the Evolve systems. I got the 30M, I got the 50, depending on what size of it I'm doing. I've got subs. It's all stuff that's useful, and I do use, and I like having around. But why do I need all of these power lights that, quite frankly, I've replaced them with better stuff? Or these all-in-one effect lights that I'm not going to be using, or a bunch of moving heads that are they're nice, but I've got better stuff, or newer stuff, lighter stuff, brighter stuff. What do I want this old stuff for? Why is it here? Go away. Somebody else is going to find use for them, or do what you want with them, make money on them. I don't care. But yeah, if you're in the area and you want stuff, let me know. I will blow this stuff out cheap. I got PARs left. I've got some effect lights. I've got some lasers. I've got some bar lights. I may repurpose some of this stuff that's left, but if you want it, come get it. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's what I've been up to, and more videos to come real soon. So take care. Know that I appreciate you so much for tuning in and supporting this channel. Really do appreciate it a lot. All your likes and your comments, they really do help with the algorithm of these videos. And the more people I get watching, the more I can produce for you. So thank you. We'll see you soon. Practice and enjoy.